Some things you just can't make out. We've always had Fred down there. Now, has Fred got a girlfriend? Well, I got the wood ducks and the blue herons. What am I doing? All right, so I've got about 5 videos I got to put out. Let me go over what I'm going to be putting out, and then I'll do this one. Today, I'm just going to go up and show you what we're doing in the garden. I wanted to raise the rows that we're planting in without disturbing the soil biology that we've worked so hard on. So it was a long, complex process. Thank God I had the new tractor, because we brought in topsoil, we're putting compost, we're putting dirt booster. So I'll show that a little bit. I'm also leveling out an area up there because we've decided I've got an open area up there. We think we're going to add an additional second chicken coop up there. Oh my God, more chickens? Yep. And I'll explain why. There is actually a chicken shortage right now for baby chicks. Dude, I went online to my old hatchery and it's like completely unavailable, like all the way through the summer. I was like, oh my God. So people are starting to buy chickens because of eggs, apparently. What else we got going on? I'm going to do the Starlink video. I've been testing that. I wanted to really test that thing out. Fertilizer videos. I'm going to break down the different fertilizers, everything from an instant release to a fast release to a slow release and organic. I'm going to go over those. I'll break those down for you. Make sure you get the lawn guides. We did all this. We got the fields already. We got everything planted. Now I got to go up. If you don't want to go out in the rain and cold, don't get chickens, because you got to take care of them every day. So I'm going to run up there. I'm going to take care of the chickens in the rain. And then I'll string together some stuff on that farm stuff, what we did up here. And then again, make sure you're subscribed, because these other videos won't show up in your feed. I guarantee it. So make sure you're subscribed. And I know everyone says, turn your bell on, but turn your bell on, because the subject matter is going to change. And if you don't have your bell on, notification bell on, you won't get notified of the new videos. Anyways, I got to go up and get wet. So here I go. So I'm really happy. If you watched my previous video, I showed you that we ran a subsoiler on these fields, and then we planted white clover and chicory out here. We got this rain falling down. It's fantastic. But let me show you the garden, what the garden looks like right now. Man, I'm getting some firewood. It's getting cold. It feels like there's going to be some snow falling here. The girls are going to scream at me because I'm late. But look at this. Isn't this fantastic looking? Gosh, I'm so happy. So we have spent the past 2 years really working on our soil biology with good compost and dirt booster, and man, it's just fantastic. And I didn't want to go down and really dig into that. So I brought in a huge amount of topsoil, put it on these rows. We put compost, then we put dirt booster, and then we just tilled. We didn't go below that surface really. We left that deeper good stuff. And so what we're going to do is we're going to turn this up, because what ends up happening is I get a lot of runoff in here, and I wanted these rows up. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you guys, I'm designing a second coop like this one over here, but smaller, and sort of fix some of the, not mistakes, but some of the improvements that I wish I had done on the other one. So you can see down here, I brought in a bunch of topsoil and I created an arch. And that's one of the things I wish I had raised that up, because that has a tendency to get water inside of it. So I'm making this, and I'm actually running this up. Of course, I got a cardinal stuck in the hawk netting over there. Good gracious. Let's see, what else we got going on? All right, let me take care of these girls real quick. This is nasty weather, man. I swear there's snow falling out here. It's like every so often I get hit with a snowflake. So normally I'll put their morning treats outside, but because they've got this heavy rain going on, I've sort of put it all in here. Let them work through it in here. I don't want to force them to go outside in this rain, but I'm gonna grab some firewood and then I'll go back and we'll finish the rest of this video. You girls laying eggs? You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job there. All right, so I grabbed the riding lawnmower. What time is it? The guy should be showing up any minute. It's 8:47. And what I did was I went to the rows. I sprayed them yesterday, and today I cut them down with the riding lawnmower to expose the actual row line and expose some dirt. So those all been cut down. Last week I had a full truckload. It's roughly 18 yards of just topsoil. So this is just a massive pile of topsoil. And I covered it over with tarps to keep it dry. And what I'm gonna do is, this is the only time I'll be able to ride my tractor over these rows. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put a scoop on each half of the row. Each half of the row, we're gonna put topsoil. We'll rake that out. Then we'll put the compost by hand, unfortunately. And then we'll put dirt booster, and then we're gonna till it in. So thank God hopefully my crew shows up. Otherwise, this is gonna be a long weekend. Anyways, so that's all done. So Ryan's here, John and Jeff are running late, but we've got to move all this. I keep saying I ain't doing it. We got to move all this onto the rows like this. Step number 2 is we're taking this really high quality compost. We're going to put that on top of the topsoil. Step number 3, we've got our dirt booster. We'll put dirt booster. Step number 4, we'll till all this in. So it looks like a long day, and it's gonna be hot out here, man. It's gonna be what, 74 or something like that?
It's already feeling like upper 60s.
Yeah, I mean the sweatshirts are coming off. It's getting warm already, so. All right, so I love it when a plan comes together. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Topsoil, compost, dirt booster, raising up these rows. And look how high. You can see how high these rows are now. I mean, heck, that's almost 14 inches above the rest of the ground. This will settle down some, but when I get heavy rainstorms and I get water pooling in here, this stuff will actually, the main root system will be above it, and that's been my problem. I've had some root rot problems because we have that layer of hard pan at about 8 inches, so I can only till so deep. So if I bring it up now, these plants, they've got 14 inches plus another, they almost got 24 inches for roots in here. step off the old block. I'm so proud of him. So as you can see, we're not going real deep. We're actually leaving. The good soil biology is actually below what we're tilling. So we're just adding dirt on top of that good soil biology, and then we'll come back and we'll actually put some more compost on top of this too. Why not? We got some extra left over, but that pile is just about gone. You don't know how glad I am to see that. I was not looking forward to this project. I knew how much work it was going to be, but man, I'm tired, but that is so nice to have that all ready to go. We got rain coming in tonight. I'll show you the little pad I did up here. I just gave the chickens their afternoon greens, so they're over here eating their greens. I've got some spices. I'm going to put spices in their food over here. What a madhouse. They are all wound up today, man. Oh, let's see what we got. There's 2. 4, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Good Lord. 19, 20. I know, honey. 21, 22, 23, 24. We may have a record today, huh? 26. 27. 28. We've officially broken the record. 29 eggs. That is a new record. You did good, babe. You did good. Yeah, you did really good. Oh, I gotta clean your butt. Yeah, I need to clean your butt. Hey, Johnny. That's a new record. Wow, so that's a new record. 29 eggs and 30 chickens. My guess is the only one that's not laying right now is the new younger one. But that new older Buff Orpington, she's laying now too. Does not look awesome. So if you know anything about me, I'm pretty much on the go non-stop, but dude, it is like 39 degrees out here. It is raining hard, the wind is blowing, and I'm about to fire up the wood stove and relax and chill out. Anyways, I got a bunch of videos. Again, make sure your bell is turned on because these other videos are going to be weird subjects. Have a great day. Good Monday. I'll talk to you later, Doc.